Non-verbal reasoning, series number 6. Non-verbal series reasoning involves identifying the logical pattern in a sequence of figures to predict the next image. This uses diagrams, shapes, and codes instead of words to test your analytical thinking and problem-solving skills. You need to identify the logical pattern in a sequence of figures to predict the next image that has diagrams and shapes to test the sharpness of your analytical thinking and problem-solving skills. Analyze the pattern and select the correct answer from the 5 options that follow the pattern. The 7-second challenge. Test your fast thinking ability. Can you solve this series recognition puzzle in just 7 seconds? If yes, you are a genius. Understanding the structural composition and visual patterns within each problem figure is essential for identifying relationships and sequences. Each box contains one arrow, one circle. Positional patterns. The placement, orientation, thickness, and color of the arrows, the color, the size, position of the circle provide critical clues for solving the pattern sequence. Number 1. Consistent figure. One arrow and one circle is seen in each of these 5 boxes. 2. Key pattern. The arrow changes position in the box. It is at the top left corner in the first box, the bottom left corner in the second box, bottom right corner in the third, top right corner in the fourth, and again top left in the fifth. Key pattern. The arrow also changes the direction. In the first box it faces southeast, in the second box it is facing northwest, again in the third it is southeast. Number 4. Key pattern. The thickness of the arrow also changes. In the first box it is very thin, then little thicker, and in the third more thicker than the second one, very thick in the fourth, it becomes very thin again in the fifth. Key pattern. The circle changes position in the box. It is at the left middle portion of the box in the first, exactly in the middle in the second, the right middle portion in the third, and returns to the left middle portion in the fourth. The black circle becomes yellow in the second and again becomes black in the third box. This repeats. The circle grows in size. It is small in the first, little bigger in the second, and biggest in the third box. Again the circle becomes small in the fourth. Deductions from the patterns. The arrow moves 90 degrees anti-clockwise, changes direction alternately, and thickness also changes. The circle moves from left to right in the middle. Also, there is a change in the color and change in the size of the circle. This consistency in the pattern helps eliminate incorrect options and identify the correct answer. Evaluation. Incorrect options identified in the first box, the arrow and the circle are in the wrong position. In the second, the circle is in the wrong position. In the third, the color of the circle is wrong. In the fifth, the direction of the arrow is wrong. Fourth figure gives a viable solution. In the fifth box of the problem figure, the arrow is at the top left corner facing southeast and is very thin. The circle is in the middle, black. In the fifth of the answer figure, the arrow should be at the bottom left corner facing northwest, little thicker, and the circle is biggest, yellow, and on the right side. Conclusion: the correct answer is option 4. The arrow is at the bottom left corner, is facing southwest and a little thicker. The circle is middle right part of the box, yellow, and is biggest in size. Key takeaways: master nonverbal reasoning by focusing on systematic pattern analysis, strategic elimination, and consistent practice to enhance problem solving skills. Observe color and position patterns carefully. Analyze color sequences and spatial arrangements to identify the underlying rules. Strategic pattern elimination. Systematically eliminate options that violate established patterns to narrow down correct choices. Practice. Regular practice significantly improves pattern recognition and the solution accuracy. Our future videos. Enjoy. Subscribe.